Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is South Korea becomes a super-aged society. South Korea officially classified as a super-aged society with 20% of its population aged 65 or older. The Ministry of the Interior and Safety revealed over 10.24 million individuals in this category. The milestone reflects global trends of rising elderly populations as noted by the UN and WHO. South Jeolla province has the highest share of elderly while Sejong has the lowest. Women aged 65 plus make up 22% of the female population. Men aged 65 plus account for 18% of males. Population aged 65 plus in South Korea grew from 10% in 2008 to over 20% in 2023. By 2030, 1 in 6 people globally will be 60 years or older. The global population aged 80 plus is expected to triple by 2050, reaching 426 million. Aging societies face challenges in healthcare, workforce, sustainability, and pension systems. Let's now discuss global context of aging. The UN defines an aging society as 7% of the population aged 65 plus, an aged society as 14%, and super-aged as 20%. Globally, the proportion of individuals aged 65 plus is projected to rise from 10% in 2022 to 16% by 2050. By 2050, individuals aged 65 plus will equal the population of children under 12 and double those under age 5. Now is the time to test your knowledge. The question is, which South Korean region has the highest share of elderly population? Seoul, South Jeolla province, Sejong, or Busan? Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.